procrastinate because I'm
to
playing.
another episode of Speed Build. And again with Rossi Rowe, because this series will now be with Rossi Rowe all the time. Yay!
Yeah, I need his skin.
Posted the link in chat.
Oh yeah, you did, didn't you? Sorry.
Oh my god. Right, well let's get up the clock. We're going to start in exactly 1 minute 15 seconds. 1 minute 10 seconds. Okay. We're going to start at 9:30. By the way.
1Y 3 red. Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Well. Yeah. Okay.
You got it up?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, 40 seconds till we're going to start.
By the way, we don't start with any rule, remember?
Yeah, I've only got my well-edit axe on me. 30 seconds.
I should probably do that. Only thing.
Yeah, you've got it. Yeah, you're allowed stuff in your hotbar as long as it's not building material. Hotbar inventory as long as it's not building materials.
I'll just put coal ore in it then. No, I'll put lapis blocks. Well, can I build with lapis? Is that interest?
No, it has to be.
Was it just?
And go.
What do I need? I need green.
I need orange.
No, I need light green.
I need yellow. Yeah, brown, I guess. Yeah. That's it. Okay.
It's lime. It's lime. God. Oh my. Oh no, I'm doing so bad. Black, red.
My sound is off apparently, so.
Black, red, and white.
Nice. I hope this doesn't get.
I've just been
I've just done
watching stuff for an hour, so I'll be a bit shaky today.
We know.
If you didn't know, this is the same day as the first 2 episodes, just like 6 hours later.
6 hours? I'd say more like 12.
Maybe a bit less.
Okay, well anyway, let's do this. This is weird. Like some people say, it's like wool is banned. Or some people, this is like it has to be wool. Wool is like the obvious to do it with, isn't it?
Or clay, wool or clay for stuff. Clay's not.
I think people usually go for wool first. Don't know why.
Okay.
Got my picture.
Oh my god, I'm doing so bad. I'm gonna wait. I might.
Or stained glass if you want it to look awful. Filled with lava.
But with signs. I'm not gonna make that same mistake as I did as I've done the last 2 times. Only put 1 block between.
Oh, what? Did that waste time? Oh, I thought I had to move mine because it was too close, so I wouldn't be able to do the arms.
Oh, and by the way, if you didn't know, Jez is building MC Gamer's skin, and that link will, and his skin, and his channel will probably be in the description.
If I could be /remember.
Yeah.
I probably won't. I probably won't remember, and I probably can't. Really not be bothered too much. Same as I'm.
But you should anyway. But anyway, let's get on with our.
I'm not gonna put Hugh's channel link in the description of episode 3.
Yeah, this is episode 3.
Episode 4. Episode 4. It's the 3rd episode you're in. But I built mine before you started doing it.
Oh, what, did you record that?
God damn it. I'm doing the back and the front.
Yes. That is a
Don't
bit
worry,
big.
easily
These
redeem
socks.
myself. I need
Actually, no. Why am I doing this? Oh my god, I was such an idiot that time.
just saying, I can easily redeem myself anyway.
Yeah, we can both can though.
Okay, nice.
Okay, I'm doing okay actually. I'm not doing great, but I'm doing better than I'm a bit rusty. Thank you. That is very kind of you, sir.
This now the latest thing calling each other sir. Something.
And if you want to know what time it is exactly 9:34.
And we started doing this at exactly 9:30.
Woohoo! Oh, should I do it?
Well, that's the time we started the building, by the way.
I'm gonna do it too.
Oh, good. I didn't look at the skin closely. It's only just now that I realised I need green.
Woohoo!
And
Time.
then give myself lime, not dark.
Yes, I started typing light green and I was like, what? But okay, I've done the legs basically, and then it's the white stuff now.
The back's pretty easy. It's just orange now. The head.
By the way, have you been doing the back? Because I have.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, I was just like, please. I was just thinking you probably have done, but oh, I think yeah.
What?
The whole body.
I can already start to see this being MC Gamer. It does look a lot like skin already. I don't know how I can tell. It's like I think it's because I know. I don't think it's always on the outside.
Who is actually my favourite YouTuber.
So you will be building next while I build somebody else.
Which we will
Not
not.
be saying until next episode. Tune in
Because
to Old Speed Builds episodes by going to www.youtube.com/user/Jezadu4 to view the whole collection of all my videos.
Woohoo!
Lol. No, seriously.
Hashtag subscribe to Jezza.
Yay!
Don't know what I'm doing here.
I don't anymore.
Oh, I'm doing so bad on this bit.
Oh god.
Oh, I think this is where things start to go wrong for me.
What else do I say?
And as you experienced,
It's not good when things go wrong. For the
no.
person who it's going wrong for, but for the other person, it's brilliant for them.
Right, I need to get some green in the house.
Oh, yours is coming along quite nice. Yours is about the same thing. By the way, I'm making mine hollow. Because it is...
Yours is looking all right so far.
Mine is hollow because it is speed build. Notice? You have to be quick. Let's see.
Oh, what? You're doing it hollow?
Yeah.
I'm not. You need to do it. Just fill it in because I'm doing it 3x. So you need to do it 3x. Just fill in the
No,
Actually,
because it is speed build, and I mean, you're not going to see it, and it's whatever.
to be fair, it's actually as quick because you have to go instead of going mash 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 mash. So it's actually about the same.
What?
If you know what I mean, you go mash, 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 not If you get what I mean.
Yeah, okay.
Oh my god.
Faces at the ridiculously high now. They all should be. Alright. Oh, so sorry, I was just whispering there, guys. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Plus I can't.
Oh. Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
Are you really on the face?
Yeah.
Oh, but you need to do the arms, I guess.
Have you done the arms?
Well, I'm doing
That's
it.
what I always do the arms last. Do you know me? I always do the arms last.
Yeah, you do actually. That's a good, fair point. No way! Don't tell me that.
What? Black at the back.
Oh! I can fix that. I can fix that. Everything's better.
Good.
I was about to say that my finger was too close to mine, but I might just get let off actually.
Okay. Oh wait, okay.
At the minute, your face is brown.
It's meant to be. I know, it looks a bit weird.
Okay. That
Yeah, I
is-
know this may look a bit weird, but whatever. I really don't care. Ah. Nice. That was really loud, by the way, just saying.
I don't care because I like whistling. Okay, that's my. I don't like those green bits. They're really annoying.
Okay, nice. The back's almost done.
Oh God! I forgot about the back.
Wish I'd never said that now, because otherwise you would.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, I've done the ceiling off at the top bit. Anyway. Yeah. Look, oh, please. Nice. That looks good.
You're my savior.
You're welcome. However, I'm your saviour, whatever. Oh, forgot the white wool as well.
Yes.
But, yeah. Right. But I've got it now. Anyway. And it doesn't even matter, really. Ooh, actually, just to make it look even better, instead of using white there and there, I'm going to use grey. Making it more space. Don't mean to break that.
Okay, I need to do my.
Nice. Nice. Okay, I think I've actually done the face. As weird as this may look so far.
Oh, you've done that bad.
What?
Shots fired. Kind of. That's a bit of a brownish colour.
What'd you say?
It's a bit of a brownish colour.
What, mine?
Of MC, yeah.
Don't really care. No, not a bit. My bills is up the meh, isn't it? My video is up the meh. Okay, nice. Now it's just orange up to the top. done, and I'm just doing the second one. Right, scaring you too? I didn't think so, but
Oh my god, I'm just mashing green.
Oh, is that why you fill in the middle as well? So you don't have to be as precise. Well, maybe filling in the middle isn't as quick and has been proven yet again. Finished.
Right, I'm nearly done.
And exactly 14 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. Right, and as always, let me set it today.
Brown, I need brown wool, woohoo.
Yeah, I know the face is really brown, by the way, just I do know that. But I mean, yeah, did my best in Minecraft. If there were other shades, if there were different wool colours in Minecraft, it would always make it a lot easier.
Oh, there's only a 1 block difference, really?
What?
What's that? I'm gonna do it, that's a bit.
No, it's a 2 grade. What? There's
That's
2.
better.
Okay, well it's time for that moment again.
What?
Thumbnail.
It's probably been about 45 seconds since you've been done.
Yeah, round. Okay, I've got my thumbnail picture.
50 seconds now.
Well, actually, I know the exact time that I finished, so I know better than you, but whatever. I have no idea. Let's check.
Nearly a minute.
Now
Now it's a minute, I think.
it has been 1 minute and 30 seconds since I finished.
No, it hasn't. It's been
Yeah.
1 minute.
Actually, I have my clock, and it was 9:44 when I finished, and 30 seconds, and when I said 1 minute, 30 seconds, it had just gone 9:46.
Oh, mine looks so bad now.
You do know you've built the arms up to his head, so it doesn't look like the arms are coming out of his shoulders. It looks like his arms are coming out of his ears.
Good point. I'm gonna lose this one.
I think you already have lost.
Well, you can't say that yet. I'm not even done my build yet, but I've pretty much lost. I'm probably 2 minutes since I'm done now, and this is not good days. No, my God. Why am I failing so bad at this one? Although, to be fair, you did fail way so bad at this one.
Why? Mine's not too good. Too bad. Be nice if I had more colours.
Face is terrible.
Yeah, but think, what colour wool do they actually have in Minecraft? That's the best you can do in Minecraft. They don't have a light brown, do they? Be nice if they did, but they don't.
Oh, 2.5 minutes since I'm done. Oh my God.
Not quite 2.5. Actually, no, it is 2. No, it's not quite 2.5, I don't think. No, it has been 2.5, sorry. It's coming up, yeah, it's now been 3.5.
No, it's not. It's been 3 minutes.
No.
You're not timing that, right?
Yeah, I am actually. I'm the one doing the timing. What is that? What are you doing?
I'm not even... By the way, Hugh's eyes are not white. Are not blue.
There is some blue on it, actually.
It's more white than blue. It's not completely blue, is it?
Well,
And it looks like he has eyebrows on yours.
he does.
Yeah, but it looks like you've got an old man right there. Love playing the game in Salt Jeremy. Fun game.
What was
And now I'm probably 4 minutes in. Oh
like-
god.
Do you like the lapis around the edge of the cyan clay? With a blue theme. And then for
I really
the
don't care.
For the clay ones, a bit of a red theme.
White joins. Oh, this might be perfect. Hmm.
You can hear anything from my end? That would be me having a drink. Ah, nice.
Okay, I'm done. Well, no, I'm not actually. And I'll be about 5 minutes late because it was 25 minutes when you 25 minutes and a half. Okay, I'm done. Oh, am I? No, I'm not. Oh, am I?
Done?
Done.
No, stop!
That's about right, actually.
You took 6 minutes more than me.
5.5.
6. I was timing.
I finished at 30 minutes 30 seconds on the Skype.
Although it wasn't that much of a difference, meaning that it won't make much difference in your score. Now, yours
Okay. The main bad thing about yours is the color.
looks
It's
too stretched. The colours aren't in Minecraft. Mine has got all the detail, and I've done the best I can with the colours I have.
Let me see his skin again.
For this one, I win. For this one. So, the first one, with me, when you were building me, I was building you, I won because you took ages to do it. Then, when it was me building you and you building yourself,
Could we
won.
make it as that it's more beautifying? Because I would win all the time then.
That has given me an idea. That's given me an idea of how.
You could do yellow.
I know how to make this better. Quickly make a mod like that adds extra colours of wood.
I'm just saying that kind of looks racist. That's racist.
No, it's not.
You're making him black.
Well, what? Well, then that means you're being racist, saying that it can't be black and it has to be white. That's being racist to black people.
No, it's not. I'm saying that. That's not his colour of his skin, so it's abusing him.
Well, sorry. Would you like to email Mojang telling them to add some more wool colours? Look at the wool dictionary, please. Just do. Is there a colour there that really is the actual colour? No.
That's not closest.
It is light brown.
I did tell you I wanted to do a sit. Why don't we just use anything we want? And you said
It
no.
makes it slightly harder with just what do you call it?
It looks more uglier with wool.
Well, that is that episode, guys. And Ross, would you like to do your outro first, or should I do it
Don't
first?
tell me you're recording that. I'll be at the end.
Yeah, I have.
Well, edit it out right now.
Nope, I can't be bothered.
Edit it.
Nope. I can't even edit it, like, now.
Yeah, but you could edit it after the episode.
I might do. So, who's doing the outro first? Well, Rossi does whatever he wants to do. I'll do my outro. Bye, guys.